Nice job. Fits me good, eh?
That's a line. There's a line on this side of the bar. You can line this bar up again.
Perfect. Is your knots perfect now?
Yeah.
You have no gap on the bottom?
Nope. None at all, actually.
The way it should be. Hint. All right, let's do the next bar. Let's do this bar. All right, we gotta load the big pipe.
The big pipe.
Check this out, Pat.
Oh my god.
Don't you hate that?
Every time, bro. Every time.
He's mad through the time.
You're a little close.
What's the matter?
It's cold.
Dude, it's 70 degrees.
Look at his face.
Rick, it's not that cold. Go outside if you want to feel cold.
I'll be back.
If we are any good at our job, we can make this work.
Ooh.
Ready for action. Close your eyes, Patrick. When it comes off by itself.
I'm just watching. I'm just here to spectate.
Oh, you're gonna squeeze that in there.
How does this work?
Angled or straight? Oh, it has to be.
I'm not sure.
It fits.
Colin.
Let's get some verification on this one.
No bueno.
What's that? Gap. Think we'll bridge anything, Colin?
No, I don't want it to look silly.
So back to square one.
Not back to square one, Pat.
We're back to square one.
This is square 7 of 8. Whatever fucking square one means. No one knows that.
We're back to the square where he has to go remake this pipe. You're like the walking encyclopedia. What you tell me?
I know, but I don't understand. I don't understand the reference. Like, what is square? Let's look it up.
We are back. Urban Dictionary? That's what you're using? Urban Dictionary to figure out what this is?
This is science, Pat, and it refers to a board game.
Oh, so the expression came from people playing games and going back to square one, and now it became a life expression for the world. And now you guys know. Back to square one. Old wise Frank done goofed. And now Colin got to fix his mistake. No comment, Frank? No comment at all? As Frank walks away in shame? Yeah?
Mark straight line. Long ways on that thing.
Damn, I'm just making sure it's perfect straight.
Eventually.
I need my red hat. I need the gas bottle turned on. I shouldn't have. Because it totally leaks. And I hate buying new gas. Lightning good.
Hold on. What can I not touch since it's like electricity?
Pat, careful.
It's not plugged in.
Pat, don't get electrocuted.
So don't touch the car, don't touch the cage.
Don't get electrocuted, Pat.
Don't touch the car, don't touch the cage.
I mean, I don't know. I'm not sure what's gonna happen. Smoking. Remember that?
Yes.
What was it from, Pat?
Jim Carrey, I forgot the movie.
Oh, come on, Pat!
I forgot the movie.
Ready to see some serious shit? Hold on, let me get some lights in there for you.
Get some lights in here for me. Make sure the angle's good though. I want it to be dramatic.
Can you get two?
Alright, so we're all finished welding the cage. Took a little bit, but it's perfect now. And now we have to vacuum it out. Sand the floor, paint it, paint the cage, get the nubs off of it, and get this thing ready for the auto shop.
Check this out, Pat.
Oh my god.
The word of dominance, right?
The dominant life form.
I just let her do all the work.
Wow.